In the latest turn of events, US President Donald Trump has announced a 25% tariff on steel and aluminium imports. Any steel coming into the US is going to have a 25% tariff, Trump told reporters on Sunday. Now, India happens to be one of the crucial importers of steel and aluminium to the US. What impact will Trump's announcement cause to India? How currencies and markets have reacted to Trump's announcement, let's discuss in today's episode of Newsport. Soon after taking office as the US president for the second time, Trump announced 25% tariffs on Canada and Mexico and 10% tariffs on China. Canada and Mexico also announced retaliatory tariffs on the US. It is important to note that Canada, Mexico, and China are the three largest trading partners of the United States. Now, in a major escalation of his trade policy, Trump has announced to impose new 25% tariff on steel and aluminium imports on top of existing metal duties. But this is not for the first time that Trump has made such announcement. In 2016 to 2020, during his first term, Trump had imposed 25% tariff on steel and 10% tariff on aluminium. However, he later granted several trading partners duty-free exemptions including Canada, Mexico and Brazil. Now in 2025, he has said that he will provide detailed information on the reciprocal tariff plan. He also added that he was planning reciprocal tariffs to ensure that we are treated evenly with other countries. India's exports of steel to the US stood at $4 billion in financial year 23, while aluminium exports were to the tune of $1.1 billion. In the past, Trump has accused India of being a tariff abuser. Since taking office, Trump hasn't imposed any tariff on India. However, his decision to tax steel and aluminium imports may impact India in the near future. Earlier in 2018, the US had imposed additional duties, a 25% import duty on steel products and 10% on certain aluminium products on grounds of national security. In retaliation, India in June 2019 imposed additional custom duties on 28 American products. Later, in January 2024, the two nations decided to set up a joint monetary mechanism. While the US allowed imports without paying the extra 25% and 10% duties, New Delhi also removed retaliatory duties on 8 American products like Apple and Walnut. So with the latest tariff announcement, the whole conundrum could take back India-US trade to 2018 era. However, an official statement is awaited on the same. The Australian and Canadian dollars and the Norwegian krone declined after Trump's comments. Shares across Asia Pacific dropped at the open while iron ore futures rose. The tariff announcement comes just before Prime Minister Narendra Modi's scheduled visit to the United States on February 12, adding a layer to the complexity to trade discussions between the two nations. Donald Trump has also hinted at possible tariffs on the European Union, alleging that EU takes advantage of the US. What do you think of this? Will these tariffs impact India? Can there be a potential fall or rise in the Indian stock market after this announcement? What do you think? Let us know in the comment section below.